Hey guys, let's see how to download Ring video files from a computer. You're going to use the same account that you're using on your cell phone. Just come here to the ring.com, and here you're gonna come to the right side and sign in. Just use your email here, hit continue, and enter your password, hit sign in, and you're gonna get a message on your cell phone. You just need to insert the message here. In fact, it's a code, it's just a number. Then I just hit verify and I can get into my account. So here you just select the location that you want, where you have your camera. Here's my camera. And then here on history, I can see everything, right? I can just select the camera that I want. In this case, it's the front door. And I have here the videos to download. See here on the right side, you just watch the video. In front here, there's a download button, right? Just click on it and you're gonna see that's going to download. See here, it downloads to your folder and you're good to go. Then you can just select the next one. Come here to the right side and download it as well. And you see that it keeps marking here as downloaded, right? And then you're good to go. Just need to come here later to your folder. And then you can watch your videos just like so, okay? So it's basically working and I'm good to go. So that's the way you can download your Ring files using a computer. Hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. See you in the next one.